If CAD concepts video is helping you, must like and comment. This will not cost you anything, but it will help YouTube algorithm. Welcome to CAD concepts. Today I will explore most prominent, 5 important and most useful Lisp routines. Lisp routines additional tool in AutoCAD that help you automate most common tasks in AutoCAD. Means you can save a lot of time and effort also. The best thing is completely error free. So without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1. Super calculator. This traditional calculator we have already in AutoCAD, but there are many story. You have to take calculation command, okay, and after that you have to come numeric pad. So there are many story. We will go super calculator using Lisp, okay. What I will do, I will just type SCL and enter one time. Now you're getting quick calculator. Just perform your task here. As you see here, you can perform from here simply. Plus, minus, division, multiplication perfectly. If you will click cross, it will clear your entire result. And if you will press C, it will remove one by one. So here is the perfect way to quickly calculate your value, whether addition, subtraction, division, multiplication in just one time perfectly, as you see here. So this is the lightest and quick calculator, and also you can copy your result. For example, I am getting this one. I want to copy, okay. Let this plus and this much, okay. I will take this copy, right click, cut or copy, and Control V, paste it here. You can get your result also. Number 2, area conversion. This multiple unit we have, I will convert into different unit. Let the C and V command and select your one text and input your current unit. We are getting in square feet. Just input here FT, which is feet, and which one you want to convert, in which unit you want to convert. Let this meter, input M, okay, M for meter, and click here. You are getting square feet to square meter in just one time. This one also. So here we are getting square meter. You have to press M for square meter and which unit you want, okay. So already we are getting square meter and I want to convert into feet. Let this FT and click here. Same as it is, this millimeter area we are getting. Select this one and input your current unit. Let this double M. And now which one you want to convert, okay. Let this M for meter. Now you see here. Same as it is square centimeter. Just select this one and input cm, which is centimeter, okay, and enter one time and converted unit meter, okay, and click here. This is the perfect way to convert in any unit, meter, millimeter, centimeter, square feet in just one time. For example, let this one, this is square meter we are getting, and input here feet, okay, and click here. Same as it is, let this feet to centimeter and click here. What we are getting here, full automated process. No need to convert by input complete number. You have to click one time your value and you have to input current unit, and again you have to input which unit you want and click here. As you see here, this is the fastest and perfect way to convert unit. Number 3, quick table. I want to create table quickly, okay. Let this here CTBL, which is create table, okay. Input number of row and number of column. Let this 10 and 15. Row height 25. Column width 30. Okay, and click here. See, you are getting entire table with exact length and width, equal number of row and column what you have provided. if I will take dimension, I will get exact value what we have provided for length and width for column and rows, as you see here. This is the perfect way to create table comprehensively with detailed dimension in just one time. Number 4. Circle radius and length. This multiple circle we have, I will find out radius and length both in one time. Okay, let this ACR and select your circle, enter one time. Same as it is, this one also, and same as it is, this one also, and this one also. See what you are getting. You are getting radius and length in meters, both in one time for your circle. I want to take it out entirely. Let this select all, enter. As you see here, we are getting perfectly in just one time. Number 5. Match text content. This multiple text we have, I will match only content. No layer, no color, no style. Let this mtxt command select your first text and then second. Enter one time. Now you see here, I want to match this to this. Select this one, enter, and select this one, enter. See, your text content only will match and color layer will be same as it is, and style also. This one also, and let this here. Same as it is, this one also, and let this here. So, as much as you have, you want to match content, only content, text based content. This is the perfect way to match your text content in just one time, as you see here. I hope you got these Lisp routines helpful. Must download 200 plus advanced automation tasks. This book well explained with facts and figure along with 200 Lisp and VLX routines. If you want to support CAD concepts, must join membership. Not limited to this. You will get amazing content, advanced tutorial, Lisp routines, free use blocks, and regular updates and more. So you are one step away to explore amazing content by joining membership. I hope you got this video helpful. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment. As soon as possible, I will reply your query. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.